You got balls. I'll give you that. So before my guys blow your brains out, I'll humor you. What do you want?
I want my daughter.
You too? Tico's a popular girl, huh? Look, cop. The girl's my leverage against Wong. She's a wild card. He doesn't know what she knows or what she'll do. As long as I've got her, the old man needs to play ball with the golden cane.
Which means what?
We give him Tico, and he gives us a slice of Hong Kong.
You are even dumber than I thought. You think he'll just hand you the car keys in return for Tico?
He's a man of honor. He says he believes in the old ways.
He put a bullet in his daughter. How honorable is that? Let me guess. He set the time and place for the drop and wants you to deliver Tico personally. I'm talking to a madman. I saved this for you.
You got a plan?
You give me Tico, I'll help you chop off Dragon Claw's head.
No. Chop the head off first. Take out Wong, and Tico's yours.
Change the drop spot away from his backyard. Find a more populated area. That'll keep Tico safer.
Okay, I got it. My old neighborhood. Gaulo and Singtai. I know every corner of that hole. I'll call you with the exact location.
I'll take it from there. Yeah?
This is Lee. Golden Cane and Dragonclaw are making a drop. A kidnapping.
I know all about it.
Just tell me where. I'll get...
Don't. I'll handle it my way.
Crossing too many lines, Tequila. It's no way to get your badge back.
I don't give a damn about my badge. I want my daughter.
So. Tequila ist sauer. Und er will seine Tochter. Also hören wir die raus. Wo sind wir denn da wieder? Müssen wir da rauf? Na toll. Checkpoint. Oh, da war einer. Wo ist der hin? Da ist er. Granaten haben wir. Diese Schweine. So einen schönen Hinterhalt gestellt. So, jetzt hat er Migräne. Wie gehen wir denn da weg? Ach, da oben geht's. So, die Schrotflinten ist mir lieber. Was haben wir da noch? Achso. So, der braucht eine neue Kniescheibe. Bist du nicht gerne? Sitzt da oben? So. So, Freund, so geht's nicht. Ach, da geht's weiter.